when a little kid is screaming or yelling at you or arguing with you, how hard is it for you to just sit there? It's hard, isn't it? I think one of the things that I observe the most is that when a kid is thrown themselves on the floor and they won't get up and they're not going to do what you tell them to do, I think the hardest thing for us is to not continue to talk to them. It's so hard for us to not continue to talk to them. And I don't know why. And I think I've learned over the years that the more I can sit there and concentrate on something else, maybe I keep a little book in my pocket, something, the more I can sit there and just not respond, the more likely I am to actually get the situation under control. It is so hard for us. The other thing that's hard for us is to not intervene when somebody else is managing something. We always want to step in. So you see the kid flat out on the floor in the hallway, and someone is just kind of standing there, not looking at the child, and the child is saying, so what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You suck, whatever they're saying, and they're just kind of not saying anything, and they're just doing their thing and riding this out, and then somebody else steps in and says, I told you not to behave that way, didn't I? Mind your own business. Unless somebody asks for help, and they're riding it out, leave them alone. It's so hard for us not to get sucked into that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.